So dentists, you want to start posting online and you're wondering where to start. So I would say you start off with a branding document, and that seems, what's branding got to do with social media posting? I feel like everything starts from there. So you want to create a logo. There's lots of websites you can use now that can help you with that, or you can hire someone that can help you to create that. You want to think about what your brand colors might be. You want to choose around 3 colors that resonate with what the feel of your personal brand is, whether it's blue, which can be quite corporate, or whether it's pink, which can be very girly, and red, which can be quite out there, or maybe purple, which feels quite regal and powerful. So you want to look at different colors and what they mean and what they feel like to you, and see which 3 colors resonate most with what it is that you're trying to achieve. Don't get too stuck up on this branding document. It's a starting point and it can change as you evolve through your journey. So just get started, create a logo, something that you're happy with and that you're proud of, that reflects you, and choosing 3 colors that you feel like resonate with what you're trying to put out there. And then think of a few words that also resonate with your brand. What is that? Is it luxury? Is it family orientated? Is it trust, confidence? I mean, those are really generic terms that are out there that we all want to create trust in our patients, and but maybe confidence is a big thing that you want to create within your patients. Think about what words there are. Elegance. There's so many words to choose from, and obviously AI can help you with that. Think about what those words might be that resonate really well with you. So you create this little 1-page branding document that has your logo, it has your colors, and it has some words, and that's a really nice starting point for you. And then from that, you want to start actually creating content, and you want content that resonates with your audience. So something that tells them about you as a person, who you are, and shows them your personality. That's why it's so important to show up online as ourselves. You want to be authentic, you want to be who you are, you want to attract your own tribe. So it's important that your content does that. So something that shows people who you are, something educational. People go to social media to be educated. You could go to any of the AI platforms and ask them what questions that people ask within your genre of dentistry, or generally in dentistry, and you could answer those questions for your patients or for your social media posts. And you want something that creates a feeling about the service that you're going to provide. Maybe shows them around your clinic, shows them around your day-to-day life, and so they start getting an idea about what it is that you are all about. And then from that, you create a list of this content, these reels that you want to create, and I would suggest that you allocate 2 to 3 hours. Choose a day that you feel confident and ready, and go through that list and film, and you can use apps like Edit's app. It has a teleprompter on there. You can write out your script. You can get AI to write out your scripts for you, and you can read out those scripts while you're filming, and create all these little bits of micro content. And then you've got loads of content ready. Maybe in between filming, you want to change your outfit. If you're wearing scrubs, you want to change your hairstyle or change your setting so that all the reels look a little bit different. And then from that, you want to use a scheduling software. We use Plan, but there are many out there. And you go and you schedule all these posts out, and you choose your covers and you write your copy, and then that gets you started. I think the main thing about creating a social media presence, whichever platform it's on, is consistency over perfection. And if you don't get started, you just won't get started. So many of us are perfectionists, and that holds us back. So don't worry about being perfect. Worry about moving forward and getting the job done. And the beauty of social media is you can always archive the posts later. If you don't like them, you put them out there, and later on you decide that's not what you wanted to do, then get rid of it. But at least you've started. So I think that's your starting point. Create a branding document so you've got something to start from. Create a posting schedule, different topics that you want to talk about, and then allocate some time, film the content, and then schedule it out. Hope that helps, and look forward to seeing what you create.